how to fix your OneDrive is out of storage. So if you're running out of storage space in OneDrive, then it's important to fix this as you may lose features such as sending and also receiving emails. So to go and fix this, all we need to do is click on the OneDrive icon in the bottom right hand side. If you don't see this, you can always open up your start menu. You can then just search for OneDrive and you can open up the app from here. Now once you have this open, click on Settings in the top right and then click on Settings. You can then select Account and press Unlink this PC. Now select Unlink Account. Now once you've unlinked your computer from OneDrive, we're just going to make sure that all of our files are still on our computer like this. Now as long as your files are still saved locally on your computer, then what we can do now is go and open up an internet browser and then type in OneDrive login. You can then click on the top link, which is onedrive.live.com, and then go and sign in with your OneDrive account. Now once you're signed into your OneDrive, it's going to take you over to this page here. You can then press My Files from the left hand side, and here you'll find all of the files saved in your OneDrive account. Now to go and free up storage space, what you can do is try deleting some of these files. So if you click on File Size, you can select larger to smaller. It's then going to order this by which files take up the most amount of storage space. So I'm just going to select some files like this, and then go and press the delete button. You can then click on delete. Now when you delete these files, they're only going to be deleted from the OneDrive and not your computer. Because the files are saved locally, this isn't going to affect anything we delete in the OneDrive. So you can safely go ahead and delete as many files as you want from here. So this is going to save you storage space on your OneDrive so you can continue using features like your emails.